Nissan's history illustrates a significant transition from being a competitive brand to one currently grappling with a staggering 99% decline in profits. This shift underscores the profound impact of evolving consumer preferences. The company's heavy reliance on fleet sales has backfired, leading to diminished profits and adversely affecting its brand perception in an increasingly competitive market. Furthermore, the oversaturation of Nissan dealerships has resulted in financial struggles, with 38% of these locations operating at a loss, intensifying the challenges the brand currently faces. Nissan's hesitance to introduce hybrid vehicles emerges as a critical concern, especially as competitors swiftly expand their eco-friendly offerings. This delay risks alienating environmentally conscious consumers. The Nissan Leaf, once heralded as a pioneering electric vehicle, is gradually losing its relevance due to the influx of more advanced models from competitors. Continuous updates and new features are essential to maintain consumer interest. Reliability issues, particularly with Nissan's continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, are undermining the brand's reputation and eroding consumer trust. Addressing these concerns is crucial for both regaining loyal customers and attracting new ones. The arrest of Carlos Ghosn in 2018 sent shockwaves through Nissan, raising serious questions about corporate governance and financial practices within the company. The repercussions of this event continue to affect Nissan's public image. In response, Nissan is initiating ambitious promotional campaigns to invigorate its sluggish sales. These efforts include discounts of up to 15% and 0% financing on select models, aiming to lure consumers back to the brand. Despite these aggressive marketing strategies, Nissan dealerships are witnessing significant profit declines, with average net profits plummeting by 70%. This alarming trend raises questions about the sustainability of their current approach. Indeed, the operational loss reported by 38% of dealerships amplifies the urgent need for effective profitability strategies. Many are now resorting to selling vehicles below cost merely to stay afloat. Nissan's drastic drop in U.S. market share from 5.8% to just 1.9% signals an alarming oversupply of inventory and heightened competition from formidable rivals such as Toyota and Honda. To counter these challenges, Nissan plans to unveil 7 new models by 2026, a strategic move aimed at revitalizing its brand and reigniting consumer interest through innovative offerings. In line with broader industry trends, Nissan envisions that 60% of its offerings will be electrified by 2030, a response to the surging consumer demand for sustainable vehicle options. Additionally, Nissan is making significant investments in solid-state battery technology, promising enhanced energy density and more efficient charging times. This advancement could significantly boost the company's competitive edge in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle landscape. To alleviate financial pressures, Nissan may consider downsizing its dealership network or enhancing online sales, akin to Tesla's model. This strategy could effectively reduce operational costs while improving customer access. Achieving cost parity with traditional vehicles remains essential for widespread electric vehicle adoption, particularly for consumers apprehensive about higher initial costs. This factor plays a pivotal role in shaping market dynamics. As the electric vehicle price war intensifies, major automakers are slashing prices, which is squeezing profit margins and complicating production due to the high costs associated with battery technology. Lastly, ongoing supply chain challenges are exacerbating the instability of production costs. Fluctuating battery material prices and the accumulation of unsold inventory from older models further contribute to the industry's ongoing struggles.